welcome back to my channel Radiant Swati. I hope you guys are doing very well, and as you know, this is a new channel where I make videos on styling, specifically office styling, and today I bring to you this video to help you build up your office wardrobe. Don't just rush into buying multiple stuff at once. Plan and see what are the essentials that you need. So in this video, I'm going to share the aspect of work pants. Yes, I'm going to share few work pants you definitely need to have in your wardrobe. So this video is going to be about must-have work pants. In the following videos, I will share with you must-have tops, must-have shirts, must-have bags, must-have heels, but today we're just gonna stick to the pants. Before we start the video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and share this video with people who might need it if you like my content. Let's get the video started now. So guys, the first essential pant in your work wardrobe has to be this black pant. Yes, an effortless black pant. For me, a black pant comes to my rescue when I'm bloated or when I don't know what to wear. A black pant actually goes up with anything, any color, every shirt, every top. So yes, this is a must-have in your wardrobe. I would suggest do try it. It should be really comfortable. Now this black pant, I can literally squat in this black pant. I don't prefer it to be low waist. Specifically, you will see all my work pants are high-waisted because I want it to be comfortable. I don't need to worry about, a low-waist pant and stuff. So yes, this is my first essential work pant that you need to have. And if you see this pant, it just fits on my waistline very perfectly. I try and pair it up with different belts. It gives a very, very different look if you pair it with white, whereas a black on black look also looks really good. So in my opinion, if you're building up your work wardrobe, please go and buy a black pant right now. Next in the wardrobe, we have this like a top color pant, which is not of course white, not beige, but somewhere in between, and it goes with so many outfits, looks really chic. I'll show you here kind of what I pair it up with. I usually like to pair it with dark colored tops or shirts. It really looks very chic, and you see the fit. Most of my pants are from H&M. This is also from H&M. The black pant that I showed you earlier was also from H&M. So yes, H&M has like really good collection of pants, not very expensive as well. So yes, do definitely give it a try. And this is another essential, I would say, to own when you are building up your office wardrobe. Another recent favorite of mine is this olive color pant. This is from Uniqlo, and I can vouch for the quality of Uniqlo. So if you're in a country where you have Uniqlo, please go and grab your work pants from Uniqlo. It is really good quality and the price is also good. I mean, it's not as cheap as H&M, but not too expensive as well. And I really believe that investing in work pants is actually an investment. Some of my pants are actually 3 years old, so you definitely can look into investing some good work pants. Also, this olive color pant, I usually style it with black, but you can also style it with shades of green. It looks really chic, and you will see at the waistline that it really fits on my waist and accentuates it. The pockets are really functional. You know, when I'm going to work, my cards, my keys, my phone, it can really hold that up. I really love this pant. Please try Uniqlo. You won't be depressed. Yes, so this is another must-have in your wardrobe. I'm not going to load you up with multiple pants because I know when we start our wardrobe or when we have to start everything from scratch, we just want to have little or maybe, you know, some basic pieces. So the last one, must-have piece in your wardrobe is a dark beige pant. Again, you will see most of my pants, in fact all of my pants, are high-waisted. I love it because it is so comfortable, and yes, I had some bloating issues in the past, so it really kind of helps me with that. And I don't wear like a shapewear beneath my pants, and because these pants are like loose and high-waisted, you don't need to wear a shapewear. It's so uncomfortable for me, especially after meals. I don't want to wear a shapewear to work. So yes, so a high-waisted pants actually help you with that. This is another must-have in your wardrobe. If you are a regular viewer of my videos, you would see that this is, I really almost every time pair this beige pant with this beige top. It really gives a very clean and a very chic look. So this is one look that you can create, and again, beige is something that will go with everything. So it's definitely a must-have. So guys, this was it about the video. I hope this information is very useful for you. I have dropped down some links in the description so that you can check and see if you want to buy these pants. I made this video with a viewpoint that you are starting from scratch. So I just kept very basic trousers in this list. And trust me, if you have these 4 trousers, I can create like 100 looks from these four trousers. So yes. Let's start from investing in our trousers, and then of course in the next video I can share maybe must-have tops or must-have shoes or must-have bags with you. So do let me know, how did you find this video? Was this useful for you? And also put in some comments where you share your viewpoint on what kind of videos you want to see in the future. I hope this video was useful for you. This is me, Swati, signing off from Radiant Swati. And do subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon. Bye bye.